Japanese style curry, a family favorite in Japan and of course in our house too. The girls love it, it's delicious, it's got some vegetables, some meat, and it is perfect for dinner. We're gonna get right into the recipe, but first off, hit that like button if you've tried curry before and comment below what's your favorite type of protein to put into your curry. Before we get into the ingredients, make sure you have some rice cooking up. I'm using a sushi rice in my rice cooker. Whatever rice you want to use and whatever way you want to cook it is up to you. Let's go right into the ingredients. We've got some ground beef, which I'm using because it's literally the easiest protein to use for this dish. Chopped up bite-sized carrots, sliced or diced onions, ginger and garlic to enhance the flavor. We've got some potatoes, curry bricks. By the way, these curry bricks are available on Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link down below. You can get them in just about any grocery store these days. Make sure you follow the directions on it for how much ingredients you should be using. Fukujinzuke, which is basically pickled radish, totally optional, but it's a great garnish. You can find it at most Asian food stores. Last but not least, we've got the water that goes along with the curry bricks. Let's get to cooking this curry. I'm using a big pot with a heavy bottom. Put your heat on high, throw your oil in there, and you're gonna toss your ginger and garlic. Saute that for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, you're gonna toss in your ground beef, saute that for about a minute. What you're trying to do is get a nice golden brown edge, but not cook it all the way through. Once your ground beef is about halfway done, you're gonna go ahead and toss your onions and your carrots. Saute that for anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes, but don't overcook it. You don't want your carrots to be too soft. We're gonna go ahead and throw our potatoes in there and really give it a fry for just like 15 to 20 seconds. So your beef is cooked through, your onions are soft, your carrots and potatoes are just getting there. Go ahead and add your water. Keep that heat on high and get everything to a boil. Once that's to a rolling boil, I like to turn down the heat to about medium and start adding your curry bricks. I like to cut my curry bricks into even smaller pieces so it dissolves even faster and more equally spreads through the dish. Go ahead and continuously stir this until everything is all mixed together. Put it on a low heat and let it continue cooking for about another 10 minutes without overcooking your potatoes or carrots. What you're trying to do at this point is cook this all the way to where your carrots and potatoes are to the desired firmness. Once that's over, you're good to go. Get some rice, pour your curry on there, and you're ready to eat this delicious meal. Don't forget that Fukujinzuke. Let's taste it. That rice, that meat. Oh. Literally one of the best I've ever made. This is so easy to make. It's delicious. Your family and friends are gonna love it. So hit like if you wanna try this. Comment below when you're gonna make this for your family and friends. And if you guys want more food videos, make sure you subscribe. Click or tap the screen right here for more Asian recipes. Click or tap the screen right here for my vlogs where I cook for my family. I'm gonna finish my curry now. You guys have to try this.